A significant lake-effect snowstorm, the third of its kind since late November, has unleashed severe weather across communities near the Great Lakes, bringing strong winds, heavy snow, and hazardous travel conditions.
Good morning, Buffalo. Nothing to see here, just another lake effect snowstorm. This happens all the time.
The storm has prompted a state of emergency in several areas of New York State, including Jefferson and Erie counties. The National Weather Service, NWS, in Buffalo has issued winter weather advisories for several upstate New York counties.
What happened?
In response to the extreme conditions, a ban on tandem and empty tractor trailers has been enforced on major routes, including the New York State Thruway Interstate 90 from exit 53 westward to the Pennsylvania border, along with Route 5 US 219. The storm has brought rare and dramatic weather phenomena, including thunder snow, which was reported in the Watertown area early Thursday morning. Meteorologists have warned of whiteout conditions east of Lake Erie and Lake Ontario, with forecasts predicting several feet of additional snow through Friday. Orchard Park declared a local state of emergency, instituting a driving ban until further notice to ensure public safety. Our 911 center and police personnel are responding to a growing number of calls, Orchard Park Police stated in a Facebook update. Erie County, already one of the hardest hit regions, recorded 14 inches of snow in Hamburg by 7 a.m. Thursday, with snowfall rates reaching 2 to 3 inches per hour in some areas. Local authorities, including Erie County Executive Mark Poloncarz, confirmed that travel bans and states of emergency are now in effect across numerous towns, including Brant and Evans, due to severely reduced visibility and treacherous roads.
Driving ban in Hamburg, which is just a little bit south of Buffalo, can't go anywhere, so doesn't appear that we'll be going to work.
The impact of the storm has extended beyond New York. Parts of Pennsylvania have also reported significant disruptions, including commercial travel bans along I-86 from I-90 to the New York state line, and the entire stretch of I-90 from the Ohio state line to the New York border. As the storm continues to batter the region, the focus remains on ensuring public safety and maintaining critical infrastructure. Emergency services are on high alert, and officials have stressed the importance of adhering to weather advisories and road restrictions as the situation unfolds. Livingston County is forecasted to receive 4 to 7 inches of snow by early Friday morning, while nearby Ontario County is expected to accumulate up to 6 inches. As of Thursday, the Frederick Douglass Greater Rochester International Airport in Rochester had recorded over 3 inches of snow. The ongoing lake effect snowstorm has paralyzed parts of New York, with some regions bracing for up to 3 feet of snow by week's end. Erie County has reported snowfall rates of 2 to 3 inches per hour, with Hamburg already buried under 14 inches as of Thursday morning. In response to the severe weather, state and local agencies have ramped up efforts to manage the storm's impact. The New York State Thruway Authority has extended its ban on tandem and empty tractor trailers, enforcing similar restrictions on critical highways across western New York.
Look at this. Round 2.
Honestly, not that bad, but you still want to be cautious and you don't want to drive in this stuff if not necessary. So, looks like we're going to have a snow day.
With forecasts indicating the potential for up to 3 feet of lake effect snow in certain areas by week's end, officials are strongly advising residents to remain indoors and avoid all non-essential travel. The combination of heavy snowfall and powerful winds is expected to create prolonged whiteout conditions, further heightening the risk of accidents and travel disruptions.
Look at this. Round 2, December 12th, Erie, PA. Here we go.